Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. I want to welcome you guys to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel, you'll get nothing more, nothing less than how to make money online. Today, I'm bringing you a new app I found out about. I was just on YouTube doing some research. I hope this helps you guys out. I just want to let you know it's for iOS, iPhones only. It's not on the Google Play Store, so you might want to think about investing into an iPhone just because it's a really great app. I just signed up yesterday. I made a video about this yesterday, and I want to show you that I've made it. Let me just go ahead and open the app here. So here we are on the app. It's called Pinata, and it's like it's a trial. It's like freebie. It's a freebie offer app. So like you have ZNZ, you have all these trial offer sites where you guys have to sign up under someone and get your one credit, and then once you get your one credit, you take your link and you start promoting, and then you get paid. So the difference between that and this is you get paid for your efforts. See, with the ones like ZNZ, you don't get paid until you get somebody to sign up under you. With this, you can refer people and you can make money as well. So once you get up to 1,000 points, you can cash out, and as you see, I've made it to 1,000 points. So what you do here is if you can't do LifeLock is a good one to do. It's $8 for you. It's a 30-day trial offer, and it's $8. And the good thing about LifeLock is you get your $30 back. I mean your $30. You get your $8 back. Excuse me. It's $8 to sign up, and you get your $8 back after the 30-day trial offer. So you cancel on like the 24th day, you get your $8 back. Okay, so if you want to, this is how this works. If you want to look through the offers, you just hit the X here and skim through the offers and see which one you want to do. Okay. I would highly recommend this. You guys sign up for your surveys, you get 30 points. If you get a domain name, you get 400 points. This is really worth it, you guys. Trust me. I only signed up yesterday. I installed this app yesterday, and I already have 1,000 points. I already have 1,000 points. Excuse the background, you guys. I have neighbors. But anyways, as you can see, I've made it to 1,020 points, and I'm going to cash that out and receive $10 to my PayPal account. And once I do, I will make a video on it showing you guys I got paid from it. But like I said, this is a really good app. It's like a trial offer. You guys do trial offers. There's more free ones on here than anything. So there you go. So let me take you up here. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to show you the offers that I did to get my points. So I did ABC Mouse, which you only need 1 cent on your card. I did Credit Sesame, that's free. I did Credit Karma, that's free. And I did Green Dot. Green Dot, you just sign up for a Green Dot card, and they send it to you in the mail, and you get 100 points. So yesterday, and you receive 500 points for signing up. Yesterday I got 500 points plus the 240, so that's 740 I got, and then I got 100 points, that's 840, and then I got Credit Karma, and then I got Green Dot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and redeem my points here. Sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and redeem my points here, and I will bring you guys right back when I get the cash out.